Good morning. I just ran out to get another pan for my sweet potatoes 2 ways. I should have gotten 2 yesterday, but I just got one, I guess, to make sure it would work, and it does. So I went to get another one this morning. Christmas Eve. It is freezing cold outside, but it smells like holiday baking in here. I still have some holiday cooking to do, and we're gonna have a cozy day. Which ones are these? These are the
mint
peppermint chocolate.
Peppermint chocolate. I'm gonna white some white chocolate on it.
Wow.
But they have to cool first.
Yum. Did you say I can try one?
Yeah.
Oh, yum. So good. A little bit chewy and so melty. And the mint is not too overpowering. That's really good.
The way that they organize their lessons
Really
is
good.
so
What do you think? Good?
It is good. You definitely get a peppermint thing, but it's very subtle.
I agree, but that's kind of nice on a cookie. You don't want it to be like poppin' peppermint. You know what I mean? It's chocolate with peppermint. Yeah. Yum. I've just been editing yesterday's Vlogmas, and MacKenzie asked, is it too early for me to try another cookie? The answer is no. This one's the ginger molasses, but cooked.
Yeah.
Let me answer this call and see who this is. It was a spam call, but I've been answering like every call because I'm waiting for the garage. I'm waiting for the warranty, so I'm paranoid and answering every call. That is good. With the little sugar on top. Oh, it adds a little something. It's good that the gingerbread was that spiced because now it really still holds up with a little bit of a spice, you know? MacKenzie has some very important cookie opinions.
Yeah, I just think that I believe in small cookies. Like, when you make your own cookies, I think you should make them smaller because it's just like a better bite. And then also, too, if you're making multiple kinds, you can have, like, 2 cookies. Where it's, like, those huge... I get why, like, at a cafe, they make them so big. But it's too much cookie and too much of one type of cookie.
Yeah, like a crumble cookie, there's a reason they sell the cutter. Because
Yeah,
you can chop
it's
it
too
up.
much. You want 1/4 of that.
Yeah.
And the smaller cookie allows you to do that. So I just really believe that. So I always make my cookies on the small side.
Small cookie supremacy. Okay, very exciting car update as well. Behind the scenes for the past couple days, I've been in touch with the warranty and the people at the garage. And the people at the garage had to send photos of the like things and the me talking to cars, the part that's and the pipes that failed. So they sent that on. And it really looked at first like nothing was going to be covered by the warranty because it was like valves and tubes and things that were broken down. But as of today, it seems like some of it will be covered, fingers crossed, and there's been lots of communication between me and the warranty and the garage, which is amazing. And now the garage is taking a look at it. They sent photos, they're taking a look at things, and the warranty has approved some of the repairs. So I'm just waiting to hear what has been approved. All this to say, things are moving forward, which I'm really happy about, and I should know later on today when we'll get our car back, or at least an idea of when, which is so exciting. What'd you say?
I miss Kitty.
We call our car Kitty after Life of a Showgirl. Her name was Kitty.
Right when we got the car.
And we need Kitty back.
That spooked me.
I know, I just wanted to see how you'd react, honestly. This is jump scare content. Oh my god.
My goodness.
I almost knocked things over. Back at Canadian Tire yet again.
I feel like things kind of expensive. I guess it has a lifetime warranty though.
Another J, another pan. We actually were not successful today on the pan, so moving on.
They just love here. Look at, as I said, they love this like teal color. And that's great for some people, it's just not really my vibe.
Millennial
like,
teal.
All the ceramic ones are that teal color.
If you know, you know. Of course, this book is out in the grocery store right now. This is the book that Taylor Swift is reading in the documentary. Can I bother you?
Why do you find creeping me out so funny?
I thought that was gonna be funny, and it was. All right, MacKenzie's been on her Christmas baking game, and I'm gonna bring one cookie to the table, which is actually a recipe from my grandmother.
Your Jewish grandma.
My Jewish grandmother, my stepmom's mom.
What did you call her?
Mémé is what we call her.
Because they're Moroccan
And
Jewish.
yeah, they are from Morocco originally. and they're Jewish. So these are like little sugar cookies, and they're really tasty. I got the recipe sent to me from her.
Was these ones you had at Hanukkah or?
I don't remember 100% if these ones were always at Hanukkah or if they were at Passover, but these ones were at Hanukkah because they have the flour in them.
Yeah.
I think the other ones we didn't have the recipe for still. So I wanted to start this tradition where I do a cookie, one of Mémé's old recipes of cookies during the holidays too, because they were a great part of the holidays back home. And vanilla. Ooh, that was a lot. I think I should use a spoon because this is getting very hard on the whisk. Oh my god, I'm excited.
Is it looking good?
Making Mémé's cookies.
Oh yeah, this looks great.
Yeah, actually that would be great. I can scrape it out maybe.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, did I fling it on you?
Yeah, you did. So what are you doing? You're making it worse. I'm doing good. Leave me alone. Do you know what temperature you need to preheat that with?
350. I guess I better preheat. That's the first step of baking, is preheating. Let it be known here, it's the first step. How's this is looking? Look, look, look. I think I'm getting there. Ooh, it's a bit sticky still. Wow. I don't even know if I'm in the frame, but I'm...
Sing it.
Dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. That's a dough update. Okay. There's still... Could you maybe get me one more half cup of flour?
Yeah.
Because it said in the recipe, she said hold back the... Oh, maybe I don't need it, because look, this is getting good.
Yeah. Not, is it still sticky? Not really.
Not really.
Given it's good.
Yum!
Okay, what does it say to do now?
I'm going to cut this into 4 equal parts.
Yeah.
Then roll them into a log. Then cut each log into 16 parts. Then roll them into little fingers. Already one log is seeming a bit bigger than the other, but we're just gonna go with it. My dough's getting a little cracky, but we're just being gentle. I hope the dough is okay that it's cracking. Yeah, now I'm gonna split each one into 16. This one is definitely bigger, but that's okay. Okay. I know that probably doesn't seem like this on video, but I feel like I've been doing this for hours, and I cannot believe I still have to do my freaking sweet potatoes. Still, after all this.
I saw it.
It's all for the holidays, people. It's all for the holidays.
I saw a thread tweet that said, I decided to make cookies, boxes as presents this year. And I just want everyone to know that received one about halfway through. They were no longer being made with love.
They're looking so good. They look like tiny French baguettes. Me 2 seconds later when they start to actually come out of the oven. This is fun. All right, we have a first little taste test here. Oh, we're going down. Okay. Yeah, this is a little bit overdone, but we put the other ones in for 2 minutes less. It's just a little bit on the dry side, which they are kind of like a drier cookie.
Mm-hmm. So they were a little bit
Slightly less, I think we need to do. But good.
See, look at
Wow.
that's nice, right? And
Yeah.
Those are good. I really like how mildly sweet they are.
The before and the after. Tiny baguettes. First round of sweet potatoes. The mashed sweet potatoes are also on their way to being boiled. All right, the sweet potatoes are boiled. Now it's time to mash them up. Looking nice. I just put in the melted butter and then now the brown sugar. So I put the cream in. It's looking extra creamy. We're gonna put a little bit of clove because they're strong. There we go.
And nutmeg.
Nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla.
Nutmeg, we can do a little.
They look like a pastel. I put so much cream. Oh my god. I'll blend it with
Blend it and then taste it.
All right, let's do a little taste test. Honestly, delish.
Oh.
I think you could use a pinch of salt, maybe.
But we use salted butter, so I wanted to make sure. But if it tastes flat at all, that's how you can tell.
Pretty good. She's going in. She's beautiful. Yep. All right, we got our second sweet potato dish here. This is the second way. This one is cubed, and then I'm gonna pour this as melted butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves. I added way too much vanilla extract, and then MacKenzie tasted and it tasted alcoholic. Oops. So then we doubled everything except for the extract. Oh, that's gorgina. An hour and a half later, my sweet potatoes the second way are done. They are ready to roll and be reheated tomorrow. They're tasty, sweet, delicious. So between MacKenzie and I, that's 7 types of cookies, 2 types of sweet potatoes. The holiday baking is done. A square, a butter tart square. So the holidays are ready. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna get a good sleep tonight because we're gonna get up and head over quite early tomorrow to get the festivities started. See you then. Good night.